Fill out mo lang yung contact information ng person, contact number, address, then click next. Ayan. So, sa part na to, i-review mo yung lahat ng information na finil upan mo sa step 3. Then, sa baba, makikita mo yung appointment details, kung saan site, yung preferred mo, yung scheduled date, and yung time ng appearance. Then, click mo lang yung next. Then, for this part, you can choose the payment methods in between cash, e-money, or ATM. Then, in my case, I choose GCash, and ito yung lumabas sa akin. I have to click the generate reference number. So, i-click mo lang yon. So, in my case, I select e-money and choose GCash. Then, may generate na reference number, and i-scan ko lang to, and redirect na to Marina.
I-screenshot mo ang confirmation form para sa appointment. Make sure na kompleto ka sa mga requirements sa araw ng appointment, tulad ng birth certificate,